Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Practice Question 11. Make n the subject of the formula if w is equals to v into 2 plus cn all over 1 minus cn. Now this question is what's changed in subject formula. We're given w is equals to v into 2 plus cn all over 1 minus cn. And we are told to what? Make this v the subject of the formula, n the subject of the formula, that is this n here. Now the first thing we do is to what? Is to eliminate this fraction here, this denominator here, and by doing that we simply say we'll cross multiply, thereby this multiplying v. So we'll have w into 1 minus cn is equals to v into 2 plus cn. Now opening the brackets, v multiplied by 1 will give us what? Will give us w multiplied by 1 will give us w minus, then w multiplied by cn will give us what? Cn w equals to v multiplied by 2 will give us 2v, then plus v multiplied by cn will give us cnv. Now with this, now we can simply say that what? That w, that is now taking this to the right side, we can simply have w minus, now bringing 2v here, 2v is equals to what? cnv plus cnw. Now what we did was that what? We brought this 2v here to the left hand side, so it becomes negative, and we took what? cnw to this right hand side, it becomes positive. So now we'll be having what? w minus 2v is equal to, now since we have n and n here, we can simply what? Factorize this here by saying what? N into cv plus cw, n into cv plus cw. So we can simply what? Divide both sides by what? By this now, and simply say w minus 2v all over cv plus cw is equal to n. So n is equals to w minus 2v all over cv plus cw. Now this is the same thing as saying n is equals to w minus 2v into c, that's all over c into v plus w, and this is equals to what? 1 over c multiplied by w minus 2v all over v plus w. And looking at this is what? Option A. Option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.